Welcome back everyone to another deep dive into the world of adventure engineering and automotive brilliance. Today, we're exploring something that's far more than just a vehicle. It's a complete mobile fortress designed for those who refuse to be limited by roads, terrain, or distance. This is the Toyota Overland Camper 6x6 Motorhome, a machine that blends raw off-road power with the comfort of luxury living. It's rugged yet refined, monstrous yet beautifully intelligent, and above all, it's the ultimate symbol of freedom on wheels. Just by looking at it, you can tell the Toyota Overland Camper 6x6 isn't your everyday camper. It stands tall and wide with an intimidating stance, built on Toyota's proven heavy-duty truck platform. The 6x6 configuration immediately sets it apart, featuring 3 axles and 6 wheels that give it unmatched traction, stability, and load-bearing capability. This is a machine engineered to go where few vehicles dare, across deserts, through jungles, over mountain trails, and even across snowy plains. It's built for those who want to explore without compromise. The body design is a masterpiece of functional strength. Toyota's designers used a mix of high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum to reduce weight without sacrificing durability. The matte finish exterior paint resists scratches and UV damage, while the angular body panels give it an armored, expedition-ready appearance. The large front grille houses a new adaptive LED lighting array that automatically adjusts beam intensity depending on terrain and visibility. On the roof, a full-length solar array provides power to the camper's onboard systems, while integrated floodlights offer 360-degree illumination for nighttime setups. Underneath that robust shell, the heart of this monster lies in a twin-turbo 4.5-liter V8 diesel engine paired with a hybrid electric assist system. Together, they produce a staggering 680 horsepower and 1,200 newton-meters of torque, enough to conquer steep inclines, mud, sand dunes, or rock trails with ease. The advanced 6x6 all-wheel drive system features electronically controlled differentials and adaptive terrain response modes. Whether you're crossing deep rivers or crawling over boulders, the system senses will slip and redistributes power instantly to maintain traction. There's also a low-range gearbox for extreme off-roading, and the suspension setup features adjustable air struts that raise or lower the ride height at the push of a button. Fuel efficiency for such a powerful beast is surprisingly reasonable thanks to Toyota's hybrid optimization. The electric motor assists during low-speed off-roading and idling, which reduces fuel consumption dramatically compared to traditional diesel-only systems. The onboard battery pack can also power the camper's electrical systems when parked, allowing you to run lights, appliances, and air conditioning without the engine running, perfect for silent camping in remote areas. Now step inside, and you'll be amazed by the transformation. While the exterior screams rugged adventure, the interior whispers pure luxury. The moment you enter through the side hydraulic door, you're greeted by an open and airy cabin space with a minimalist design inspired by Japanese modern living. The floors are made of reinforced bamboo composite, which not only looks beautiful but is also durable and moisture-resistant. The walls and ceiling are lined with soft-touch materials and ambient LED lighting that adjusts in tone and brightness depending on the time of day. At the front, the driver's cockpit feels more like a spaceship command center. A large curved digital display stretches across the dash, merging vehicle diagnostics, navigation, terrain mapping, and 360-degree camera feeds into one seamless interface. The steering wheel is multifunctional, with touch-sensitive controls and haptic feedback. Toyota's advanced driver assistance suite includes adaptive cruise control, off-road collision mitigation, lane guidance, and even a terrain-following autopilot mode that can autonomously crawl over trails while you monitor progress. The living space is intelligently designed for maximum comfort and usability. On one side, you'll find a fully equipped kitchenette featuring a 2-burner induction stove, a compact convection oven, and a smart refrigerator that can adjust cooling levels based on outside temperature. The countertop is made of lightweight quartz composite, and there's even a fold-out dining section that seats 2 comfortably. Across from the kitchen is a convertible lounge area with modular seating that can transform into a double bed at night. The cushions are covered in weather-resistant vegan leather with memory foam underneath for comfort. A panoramic side window provides stunning views of your surroundings, and blackout blinds offer complete privacy when needed. At the rear, a fixed queen-size bed sits above a large underfloor storage compartment that can hold gear, tools, and supplies for extended journeys. The headboard features integrated reading lights and a soft fabric finish. There's also a smart ventilation system that automatically maintains air quality by filtering dust and humidity, an essential feature for those long expeditions through deserts or rainforests. The bathroom setup inside the Overland Camper is compact but impressive. It features a rainfall-style shower, a composting toilet, and a smart sink system that recycles gray water through an onboard filtration system. The walls are made of antimicrobial resin panels that prevent mold growth and are easy to clean. You can even adjust the temperature and water flow using a touchscreen control panel. One of the standout features of the Toyota Overland Camper 6x6 is its self-sufficiency. The solar panels on the roof feed into a 10 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, giving you enough stored power to live completely off-grid for days. There's also a 150-liter fresh water tank and a 100-liter gray water system. The integrated inverter allows you to plug in standard household appliances, and there's even a small satellite internet antenna on the roof, ensuring you stay connected no matter where your adventures take you. When it comes to climate control, the camper uses a dual-zone thermal management system. In hot conditions, a roof-mounted heat pump keeps the interior cool while also heating water through waste heat recovery. In cold weather, the same system reverses function to provide cozy warmth throughout the cabin. The insulation is top-tier, with triple-sealed windows and soundproofing to make your nights peaceful even during storms or high winds. Safety is another area where Toyota went all in. The Overland Camper 6x6 includes a reinforced steel safety cell, rollover detection, autonomous emergency braking, side radar sensors, and drone-assisted navigation. Yes, you heard that right, it comes with a small deployable drone that can scout the path ahead, send live video back to your dashboard, and even map safe routes in unknown terrain. That's adventure technology at its finest. When you step back and look at the Toyota Overland Camper 6x6 as a whole, it's clear this is more than just a motorhome, it's a mobile expedition headquarters. It's built for explorers, off-grid travelers, photographers, scientists, or anyone who wants the ability to go anywhere, live comfortably, and stay there as long as they want. It bridges the gap between rugged exploration and refined living, bringing the comfort of home into the wildest places on Earth. So whether you're crossing the Sahara, climbing through the Rockies, or setting up camp beside a remote Arctic lake, the Toyota Overland Camper 6x6 Motorhome is ready to take you there with power, safety, and elegance. It's not just about travel, it's about redefining what it means to live free, to explore without limits, and to bring the world a little closer to your doorstep every time you hit the road. This is Toyota's vision of ultimate adventure, and it's nothing short of extraordinary.